This is Music Phil, and this is Yardstyle Presents, and we are at Willie's Thatcher. This is a flashback of Ellis Selassie's birthday celebration, featuring Freddie McGregor, Nature Ellis, and Conrad Crystal.
Sudan and Uganda, Ethiopia and all over Africa. Right just so in Jamaica, with a B-A-D-R-J-B. Rasta ball and no care who you are. Hey, let love set us free. Hey, world. Turn up the rhythm, please. I for justice, I turn it up. World peace, it's what we're fighting for. World peace, Southwest, North and East. Hey, world peace, to equal rights and justice. World peace, we want the violence, see they watch and know. Down there in Nigeria, down there in South Africa, Sudan and Uganda, Ethiopia and all over Africa. Right just so in Jamaica, with a B-A-D-R-J-B. Rasta ball and no care who you are. Hey, let love set us free. Hey, world. Yeah. Time for justice, I say. Well, it's what we're chanting for. Well, Southwest, North and East. Hey, well, it's what I'm chanting for. Well, we want the violence. They want you know. Down there in Nigeria, down there in South Africa, Sudan and Uganda, Ethiopia and all over Africa. Right just so we not jump down, with a B-A-D-R-J-B. Rasta ball and no care who you are. Hey, let love set us free. Hey, world. Well, take it away.
Nature Ellis from Montego Bay. Earlier trad to Kingston, he was signed to Bibi Gardner's label Art of Love. Then from there, he was signed to Down Sounds Entertainment with songs like World Peace, which is one of his most formidable songs to this date. Moving forward, he has a slew of hits. He has done many songs. He has done a couple of albums. Nature Ellis is still doing his thing worldwide, but he's known for World Peace, his biggest song, Nature Ellis.
System got to change. Stubborn, Emmanuel Chin, David Luther King. Mama, papa, sister, brothers. Listen, yo. System got to change. Got to get it rearranged. Right now, we gotta change it. What you know, I say. Don't you know? Talking about a revolution. Let you arise. All these enemies scattered. Mama, papa, sister, brother. Listen, yo. Hey, look. System gotta change. System gotta rearrange. Sugar man and family keep living it up. Watch you know now. Don't you know? Talking about a revolution in a country and town. Don't you know how the cry of the people sound? Yeah, voting lines. What you know? Right on the doorsteps of those so-called politicians, wasting time, acting like you're blind. I now go sit around, waiting on Babylon attention. Well, I say, don't you know? Talking about the revolution. Take it away. Nature Ellis say, me love how them legalize it. Long time them fi stop from fighting. Pass me the fire, make me light it. Pass me the country, pass me the chalice, make me feel like. Hold up. Nature Ellis say, me love how them legalize it. Long time them fi stop from fighting. Pass me the fire, make me light it. Pass me the country, pass me the chalice, let me feel like it. Oh Lord, pass me the country, make we all abide right now. Pass me the country, pass me the chalice, let me feel like it. Oh Lord, pass me the country, and we are all abide. Watch this. Peter just burn it in a Buckingham Palace. Nature say come on and let us light up the chalice. Me and the herb never yet in a malice. Sad this morning but one puff make me the gladdest. I tell you it was found on King Solomon's graveyard. Let you think constructed surely make you brave. Pass me the country, pass me the chalice, let me feel like free. Oh Lord,
this one, and this is one you've been waiting for. Let's welcome no other than the mighty Conrad Crystal. Ladies and gentlemen, people, Crystal.
Hold it, trooper, hold it. And I give thanks and praise to the Most High King Selah, Joe Rastafari. Yeah, man, a judge of earth strong, you know. King Selah. Big up the Sugar Minor family, straight up. All the King Selah. Run it, trooper. I will not waste my time, you know. Oh, wow. Hey, trooper, keep your hands for the key. Man can't walk in peace. The youth them just live like a beast. Man can't walk in peace. You know, she said them not afraid of police. No, man can't walk in peace. The youth them just live like a beast. Man can't walk in peace. You know, she said them not afraid of police. One drop trooper. Man, I feel run left when them born and grow. Things happen down there and them can't take the flow. Cause the way yo, the shots them a blow. Yes, man, I feel keep down low. I know said that them wanna go, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Because the way yo, the place I run, no time at all. No, them can't tarry, can't walk in peace. The youth them just live like a beast. Walk in peace. You know.
Conrad Crystal's biggest hits, True Love, was produced by Sonic Sound and Legal Light label.
I will now stop it now. Hear the second verse. You know you when them do master Joe. Last night them killing you know. And when the community heard about it, it was a fatal blow. People go call all removal job. Back up them things get ready to go. Cause who start the killing? No one don't know. Can't walk in peace. The youth them that's for that. That's for that. Nothing together said it's really hard. And every day I have to leave my yard and go to what's allowed in the street, so that my family can get food to eat. And every day I would kneel and pray unto the Father, this is what I would. Almighty Judge, won't you help me please? Get to see him crying on my bending knees. Oh Jah, could you give me an everything and let the get the people stop the sufferation. Father, on you every man depend. Only you could see around the bend.
Conrad Crystal has done songs with Sugar Ray, On his Fireball label, he did the remix of True Love Will Never Die and many other hits.
I've got to leave you now. Hey, I've got to leave you now. Go to school, youth, and don't you be no fool. Go to school, girl. After your mama said you go to school, go get your education. You put boyfriend first. Now you get a belly and you know you're never ready yet. You only make things worse. After your papa said you go to school, go get your education. You put gun thing first. Mix up with the devil, get yourself in a trouble. Sugar right now there, boy, you have one. You have to make it in a life, you have to work, go harder. And your mother and your father.
Freddie McGregor is originally from Clarendon. He used to be a part of the group, the Clarendonians, with another integral member, Ernest Wilson.
Sure! Rastafari. All the music from a CD. All the music. So, we just want to say greetings. Welcome to the gathering, see? I want to say enough respect to Sugar, my brother that. So to Sugar family inside there, bless up yourself. What we don't know is this Imperial Majesty Earth Strong, so what? You know we have to there, we have to defend it. Happy birthday to you, Jack. Rastafari. So what? Look how nice of the place, huh? I read these things in prophecy. Sugar thing was gonna be nice tonight. Turn it up. Looks like the sun, it doesn't shine for me. Still I'm a living, trying to be free. All our sugar people, freedom is a must, I know. No matter how they fuss and go on, because I read these things in prophecy. Why say? I when the rains are falling down and they got them. What they gonna drink? They're gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that there was thunder. Oh well, and when the stars are falling down and fire's burning red, there will be weeping and a gnashing of teeth. Yes, everyone will be mourning. A whole lot of people will be mourning. Everyone will be mourning. Sinners, you will be mourning. Everyone will be mourning. Next track. Give thanks massive. We feel irate.
Little known facts about Freddie McGregor. Captain of the Big Ship. He's known for songs like Big Ship Sailing on the Ocean, Loving Papa, so many other hits. I just can't get you out of my mind. I see it in you.
Sail all the way to Sugar Place, yes. Hey. So when I'm ready, you must hold on steady. We're moving up at lightning speed, yes. Take a seat, just wait till I'm ready. Right now we're tired, so hold on steady. Then the big ship. Then we don't need myself. We sail, a ribbity bang, ribbity bang, yeah. Say when I'm ready, you must hold on steady. We're moving up at lightning speed, yes. Take a seat, just wait till I'm ready. If you love Sugar Minor, let me hear everybody say a big ship. Right now we don't need no commotion tonight. Big ship. Ribbity bang, ribbity bang, I see. And then the big ship. And right now we don't need no commotion. A big ship. Next track, my dudes. Oh Lord have mercy. Everyone out there was born a true born winner. I know that from the start from now. If you want to say I win, I make me hear you say, I was born. Say it out if you're true born winner. I was born. Oh Lord, yeah now. I remember the times how we used to read it till we beat the bar, folding hands together. I never should have gone away and left you like I did. I thought you'd take me back, but I was just a little bit late. I was gonna sing it one more time if you tired of taking the blame. I might as well play the game. Whoa, whoa, sometimes it can be so unfair. I'm longing to see you. I wanna know how you've been doing. I want this. Tired of taking the blame. I might as well play the game. Whoa, whoa, sometimes it can be so unfair. I'm longing to see you. I wanna know how you've been doing over yonder. Oh, well, yeah. I'm gonna catch this flight when I reach my destination. Hope you smile. Longing to see you. I thought you'd drop a line just to say hello, my dear. I'm doing fine. Oh, well, yeah. It doesn't matter anyway now, 'cause my love for you will never change. Tell me now, 'cause maybe I know myself. When push comes to shove, then everybody will get one for loving you. One more time, everyone, yeah. Push comes to shove, then everybody gonna put the blame on me. Thank you, Master. I love you. God bless you. Hold it. Hold on, no, brother. So, I don't know, you want to hear one more? Yeah. Maybe two? I don't know. It's all about you know.
Freddie McGregor has worked with many producers. Studio One, Joe Gibbs, 90 The Observer, Steely and Clevie, Jammies, just to name a few.
All my people, just sing that one here with me. Say that can't stop me from loving you. No way, no way. They stop me from loving you, yeah. So many people wanna see me. Turn up the music, so many people wanna see me.
No, yo, what a blessing, what a feeling. Wanna say more? Wanna say more? Wanna know say a curfew time, but to know more. Uncle Freddie cannot leave us dry like that. You must get one more. Let's do it short and spice. Hey, find something.
Turn on the music, my brother. Just let the music play, please. Whoa. Slow it down so I can say what I want to say. Whoa. Shouldn't have to tell you how I feel. You know my loving is real. From the crown of my head to the sole of my feet. Now what is this that I feel taking control of me? Now my body's in trouble. It's you that I need, yeah. Is it how you walk or is it how you talk? Is it how you smile that makes me come? I wanna know what it is about you. Your time, every little thing that Girl, I'm seeing in you. You're mine. And every little day, every little way, every single.
I am Music Phil, and this has been Yardstyle Live Presents.
Massive thank you. We love you, Rastafari. Bless you.